Namaskara, good morning, and welcome to Canara Bank Marathon 2025.
I feel very excited because it's very fun to run.
Bengaluru rocks, so fun all the way.
It's just 5 a.m. here in Bengaluru, and the city is buzzing with excitement as thousands gather for Canara Bank Marathon 2025.
We have come very early, so I'm looking forward to see many people around and have a good blast here.
Participating in a marathon itself is motivating.
Let's cheer it for Bangalore City! Hip hip! Hooray!
बेंगलुरु भारत की फिटनेस कैपिटल ने गर्व, जुनून और उद्देश्य के साथ कैनरा बैंक मैराथन 2025 के तीसरे एडिशन में पूरे जोश और ऊर्जा के साथ कदम से कदम मिलाया।
Well, the energy is absolutely electric. As students to senior citizens to young professionals, everyone is lacing up for the run.
My energy was this amazing ambience, what you can see here. I put some fruit, of course, and amazing to see all the people jumping, crying, and speaking, and it's everything fine. Yeah.
I have a goal of flying helicopters, but this is my first experience, and I'm definitely excited to go for it.
एक ऐसी मैराथन जो फिटनेस, हेल्दी लिविंग और कम्युनिटी स्पिरिट के एक लैंडमार्क इवेंट के रूप में उभरी।
This is our third edition, and every time we are seeing that this event is growing bigger, bolder, and more people are actually anxious to participate in this event. I am very much delighted to be a part of such event, both from the bank side and as a participant also.
परफेक्ट वार्म अप के लिए मैराथन की शुरुआत एक हाई एनर्जी जुम्बा सेशन के साथ हुई, जिसने सैकड़ों प्रतिभागियों को एक साथ जोड़ा।
The enthusiasm is in the air. You can really feel it. There are students, there are fitness groups, and even families have turned out in full force.
Having an activity like this motivates you to keep on running and do it better.
कैनरा बैंक मैराथन कम्युनिटी वेलबीइंग, होलिस्टिक डेवलपमेंट और फिटनेस के कल्चर को बढ़ावा देने के लिए बैंक की कमिटमेंट को लगातार मजबूत करता रहा है।
The largest bank of the South, Canara Bank, is getting connected with the city of Bengaluru and people beyond Bengaluru. That is the main theme, and I think we successfully did that. Your connection with Canara Bank is special. Remember that, and we would love to connect like this every time, maybe every year. Stay connected.
It's amazing. I think hats off to Canara Bank and our MD and CEO, Mr. Satyanarayan Raju. And I also happen to be in Canara Bank from the last 30 years, so it's great to run, and I'm running this for the third year as well. And every time it was a 10K run for me, so I'm just loved it, and great response. It's getting bigger, better, stronger, I would say. Yeah, just like Canara Bank, I suppose.
We are thanking the entire country, and particularly the Bengaluru people, for the support what they have extended to Canara Bank, and we are taking care of their financial health, including the physical health of the people of Bengaluru and for the entire country through our branches, through our regional offices.
Who are we? 10, 9, 8, 6, 3, 2, 1.
कैनरा बैंक मैराथन 2025 को श्री कांटी वीरा स्टेडियम से फ्लैग ऑफ किया गया। 12,000 से अधिक प्रतिभागियों की रिकॉर्ड भागीदारी देखने को मिली, जिसमें शामिल थे 3K कैनरा सेविंग्स रन, 5K कैनरा प्रीमियम रन और 10K कैनरा स्पायर रन। इस साल मैराथन में प्रतिभागियों का एक सशक्त मिश्रण देखने को मिला। अपनी सीमाओं को चुनौती देते प्रोफेशनल रनर्स से लेकर प्रेरणा के लिए दौड़ते स्टूडेंट्स और सीनियर सिटीजन्स, जिन्होंने साबित किया कि स्टैमिना का उम्र से कोई लेना देना नहीं है।
I'm 62 years old. Since 10 years I'm running only. But ಈ ಸತಿ ಕೆನರಾ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ನಾವು. I'm happy.
I've done a 10K once before and I did win an award then. So that kind of enthused me to give it a try here. It's been sheer fun all the way, right from the beginning that I entered the stadium.
I'm going to run 5 kilometers.
A 10-year-old to a 90-year-old running this and having fun, enjoying the music, dancing, and it's tremendous. I think the response has been phenomenal.
We are a family of runners. My dad at 80 years of age, he runs a half a marathon. So I thought, at least at this age, I should finish my 10K. This is my 7th 10K, and the next attempt will be my half marathon.
I've been running Canara Bank for the last 2 years. This is my third. So I appreciate what they're doing. You know, it's for fitness at the end of the day.
मैराथन का उत्साह से भरा रूट बेंगलुरु की खूबसूरती दिखाता हुआ शहर के कई ऐतिहासिक और जीवंत इलाकों से होकर गुजरा।
Well, it's more than a marathon. It's a movement towards a healthier, fitter India right here from the heart of Bengaluru.
जैसे जैसे रनर्स फिनिशिंग लाइन के करीब पहुंचे, जोश अपने चरम पे पहुंच गया था।
Yeah, I did 10 and she did 5. I feel very good when we cross the finish line. But my position 7th.
I've always been running for the past 1 year. It's my gym friends who motivated me to run. And I was the one who motivated him to run, saying that it's your bank, it's given everything for us, so you should come.
कई लोगों के लिए ये सिर्फ एक फिजिकल चैलेंज नहीं था, बल्कि अचीवमेंट, डिसिप्लिन और पर्सनल विक्ट्री का एक यादगार लम्हा था।
I am telling you, I am the one who did 5K this time, who never did. So if you are sitting on the fence and thinking that whether to join or not, please join next year. It will be very, very special.
I just finished my 10K. It was amazing. And we have come here as a family. And my child's here, my mother-in-law is here, like whole family is here to run. And it feels amazing to see the enthusiasm. And there's a dog running around with us. Like it even finished 10K and 5K both with us.
It's always an amazing feeling that the run is finally finished. So yeah, I think that's a great feeling.
यूनिटी के सिद्धांत पर आधारित कैनरा बैंक मैराथन 2025 में कैनरा HSBC लाइफ इंश्योरेंस, कैनरा रोबेको म्यूचुअल फंड, कैनफिन होम्स लिमिटेड एंड कैनरा बैंक सिक्योरिटीज लिमिटेड जैसे पार्टनर्स का सहयोग देखने को मिला।
It's an excellent initiative by the bank, and we are very happy that we are able to engage with the customers. We can see the passion and energy in people out here, people who are running and who are kind of making sure that they take care of their health. At Canara HSBC Life Insurance, protecting customers is our key objective. Ultimately, what we carry is our good health. And in our business, if customers are healthy, we are actually better, we are better off. So our aim is to protect customers, to offer them savings as well as protection offers. So that's what we work for. And we are very customer-centric company, so we are very happy to see people coming here and being very, very engaged.
Well, I think life's a marathon. I think there's a lot of inspiration you can get in the way you run a marathon and the way you lead your life, but it's all about healthy living. As well as to make sure that you look after your mind and body as well.
It's all about fitness, and of course Bengaluru is the fitness capital of the country, and obviously it's like giving back to the society also. So we see a lot of interest in this, therefore it's very close to our heart. And of course when Canara Bank itself is doing it, we are very honored to be participating along with Canara Bank.
कैनरा बैंक मैराथन 2025 में बैंक की 120वीं वर्षगांठ का उत्सव मनाते हुए फिटनेस और कम्युनिटी एंगेजमेंट को भी बढ़ावा दिया।
We always believe in working together so that we get the better results. So this is the culture what we are encouraging for the last 3 years among the staff members. The same thing we want to see that the entire Bangaloreans also. Always the results will be much better if you are working together. That's the slogan is come together, run together, together we can.
कार्यक्रम का समापन सभी कैटेगरी के विजेताओं को सम्मानित करने वाले फेलिसिटेशन सेरेमनी के साथ हुआ।
मेरी जो कोच ट्रेनिंग देती है ना, उन्होंने बोला भागो, एक अच्छा ट्रायल हो जाएगा, टाइमिंग भी पता चल जाएगा फिटनेस का कि क्या है, इसलिए मैं भागी। प्रैक्टिस तो अच्छा था, तो मैं सोचा लास्ट तक फाइट करेंगे, देखेंगे जो होगा होगा।
ट्रॉफी, मेडल और तालियों ने सिर्फ स्पीड ही नहीं बल्कि डेडिकेशन, हार्डवर्क और स्पिरिट का भी जश्न मनाया।
On that note, we'll take a short break. But coming up next is an interview with Mr. K. Satyanarayan Raju, MD and CEO of Canara Bank, sharing his vision and objectives for Canara Bank Marathon. I have with me Mr. K. Satyanarayana Raju, CEO and MD of Canara Bank. Sir, first of all, congratulations on successfully organizing this marathon 2025. What really, sir, inspired you to organize the third consecutive edition of Canara Bank Marathon, and why did you choose Bengaluru?
I have a practice of doing morning walk and the pranayama for the last 40 years. I strongly believe that it has helped me to come up to this level, leader position. So one has to achieve their goals means first one should have fit. That's more important so that your output and your thought process will be very positive. That is the one of the first thing.
Right.
Of course, why we are choosing the Bengaluru is the reason behind is we are our headquarters is Bengaluru.
Okay.
And we have 120 years of history of this bank. And it has started its operations from Bengaluru. Of course, in 2020, one more bank, Syndicate Bank, which is also has started its operations from Manipal, has merged with the Canara Bank. So our origins are from Karnataka and our headquarters are at Bengaluru. The Bengaluru is known for the wellness city of the country.
Yes.
So marathon is best suits to the Bengaluru.
Sir, how do you relate Canara Bank's personal commitment of engaging with the society and well-being to the, organizing of this Canara Bank Marathon?
See, we being the biggest one among the biggest public sector banks, we know that we have some responsibility towards the society. Of course, the latest year, we are the second biggest public sector banks who is earning highest profits in that. We thought that when we are earning that much, let us spend something for the wellness of the people. We strongly believe, or we encourage within the bank also, our employees always works on their fitness.
Mm-hmm.
So why not only the employees? Because our important stakeholders is our customers. So let us work for their wellness. That's what actually our process. And Bengaluru, why we chosen that, we have seen many areas. If you find wherever you go in the parks, you will find so many people. So why can't we create one platform so that the most of the Indians, the Bangaloreans can participate? That's why the thought process has come. And we felt that our Founders Day, we always celebrate on 19th November.
Mm-hmm.
And that can be a best day we can choose for this. So we have started this since 2023. In the first marathon, we got a response around 5,000 people.
Yes.
Because it was the first time for us also for organizing such a big event. But the second event, when it comes, almost it's the response became double. 10,000 people have participated. That has motivated very well for all of us. And a lot of enthusiasm has come to our the concerned staff members who are deeply involved in this.
Yeah.
So this time we expected that, okay, let us aim for the 12,000 to 13,000, but we have taken approximately 15,000, let us make it the infrastructure. We created for infrastructure for 15,000 people.
Mm-hmm.
But surprisingly, we were forced to close our counters 4 days before this 23. 19th itself we have closed and overwhelming response.
This also shows, sir, how well Canara Bank is able to connect with the vibrant, active and well-being driven community of this city. Would you say that?
Yes, 100%. The another one is also when we want to be part of that, so the Honorable Prime Minister's the Vikasit Bharat 2047. By that time, we also have a internal plannings that we should be one among the top 50 global banks. If you want to grow in such a big way, we have to be very close associated with the younger generation.
Yeah.
And Bangalore is the best place to associate with the younger generation. It represents whole country. Entire country, younger generation is coming and settling in the Bangalore. That's why we thought that, okay, let us conduct some programs which you make it that the bank can make it familiar to them. So one of the activities is marathon. We felt that. So you see that the 10K, if you see the morning, the entire people are that the younger generation.
Yes, yes,
And,
of course.
and of course, to make the people comfortable in running the, depending on their age or their practice or first timers and all, we have created 3 types of runs. One is 10K, one is 5K, one is 3K.
The naming of these runs is also very interesting. You have named the 10K Canara Aspire Run, the 5K Canara Premium Run, and the 3K Canara Savings Run. Can you please tell me a bit more about the connection of the Canara Bank policies along with these, the naming of the runs?
Actually, last 3 years, we are the first banker, I can say that who have created or introduced a unique products which suits to the various age groups of the people or the various professions of the group people. So we encourage the people to save. For that, we are coming out with the unique products. One thing is to make our products familiar. These names have been taken into that. These are all the new products what we have launched. Aspire is for that younger generation who are studying in the professional colleges. We encourage them to go for the free courses, online courses. We are encouraging them if they open an account with us. Simultaneously, we also have created one product for the salaried class. We have covered their term life insurance. And we have come out with the V-Angel, Canara Angel, that is for female. And it covers their cancer treatments if anybody is there. We also have come out with the Canara Jeevan Dhara. That is that for senior citizens, it helps them in getting the higher discounts in the medicines. Welfare and the business, both we want to make it. That's why we are given that name.
Now I want to talk about the core values of Canara Bank. You know, we talk about resilience, trust, wealth building, and also long-term success. How do they all come together when we correlate it with a marathon of this nature, which Canara Bank has organized 3rd year in a row?
And if you see that our slogan, actually it's together we can.
Yes.
And we always believe in doing as a team, anything. So that's why we have taken that slogan. Even for this marathon, what we have done, come together, run together, together we can. In sync with our slogan. It's a 120 years history of this bank. And we are doing this banking for last 120 years. We have more than 12 crores people are dealing with us. We always believe on that our policies, the ethics, the principles. We never compromise on that. And we understand our customers very well, whether it's a rural, semi-urban, urban or metropolitan. And we know their problems. We come out with solutions to them. And we want to be part of their, it's like a Namma Bengaluru, Namma Canara Bank. And we want to see that this entire Bangaloreans treat this bank as their household bank.
I also want to know from you, because you pay a lot of attention to the importance that fitness and health have in our day-to-day life. How does an event like this really work on the team morale and the office space culture in Canara Bank?
Most of my top management, including executive directors and the general managers, senior chief general manager, DGMs, almost every rank of the people are participating actively in this.
Yeah.
That itself is the motivating, that's how much importance the bank is giving to them. It is nothing but motivating the people to work on their fitness. When you are bringing them into the masses, so connectivity happens. The people will discuss about the bank, people discuss about the products, that motivates the staff members and they feel elevated and your output will be definitely much better. And last 3 years results is the best example for that.
What is your personal fitness mantra, and what would be the encouraging words that you would want to share with everyone else who's preparing for next year's Canara Bank Marathon?
I have a walking habit, not from now, it's from my education days onwards. Almost I am completing this walking maybe 40-45 years. And last 30 years almost, in addition to that walking, I do mild exercises. Then I also do the pranayama. These are all the things it helps. So otherwise, it's not possible to handle such a big bank and facing lot of issues. Again, and keeping yourself cool. So if you want a good result, you have to work on your fitness. So I am the best example, so that you can see that I urge all the citizens of the country, especially Bangaloreans, first all younger generation especially, you focus on your goals, you focus on your objective, whatever it may be, but not at the cost of your health. You have to spare your time for your health. If health is there, wealth automatically follows.
So finally, can I have a promise from you for all the viewers here that there will be a 4th edition and everyone, especially in Bengaluru, should start preparing for Canara Bank next year?
100% this became an annual event for the bank, and bank will continue to do this here in next few years, not few years. It will be continued every November 19th, that's the Founders Day. It will be a part of that function.
Perfect, sir. Thank you so much. Pleasure talking to you. Thank you.
Thank you.